Welcome to The Explainer. So what really happens to your brain when you ditch sugar? So can just 3 weeks really rewire how your brain works? A recent study looked into it.
For starters, a 22% boost in blood flow to your brain. That's more fuel, more oxygen.
And get this, a 47% jump in something called BDNF. It's basically miracle grow for your brain cells. But to really get why that's huge, we've got to look at what sugar is doing to you now. Sound familiar? The brain fog, the irritability, the terrible sleep? It's a daily struggle for so many.
The main culprit is insulin resistance. Your brain cells literally start starving, even when you're eating.
But it gets even crazier. There's a hidden problem here, a massive vitamin deficiency.
We're talking about vitamin B1. Think of it as the spark plug for your nervous system. Sugar just drains it dry.
And without that spark plug, your whole system goes haywire. All these issues just pop up out of nowhere. So what happens when you flip the switch? Your brain doesn't just heal, it actually upgrades its fuel source. Let's put them head to head. Sugar gives you fog and cravings. Ketones? We're talking clarity and calm. So yeah, that whole idea that sugar is the main fuel for your brain, turns out it's just not true. Why? Well, ketones are just a cleaner fuel. Think of it like putting premium gas in your car. All right, so what can you actually expect on this 21-day journey? Let's break it down week by week. Week 1, you'll feel it. Those nagging cravings and that constant hunger, they just fade away. Then week 2 hits, your energy just skyrockets, and you'll start sleeping like you haven't in years. By the 3rd week, everything just clicks into a higher gear. Your mind feels sharper, your mood is brighter. So look at what you gain. It's not just about losing the bad stuff. It's about gaining all of this. After 21 days, we're talking about a fundamental upgrade for your brain. So are you ready for it?